Hello YouTube viewers and my subscribers. Okay. This is a Kobalt 227 piece. It's only, I did say in the last video, I deleted it, but I said it was like a $2.99. That's what they had listed down in Temple, but it's on their website. It's only $99 now. Very good bargain. Kobalt does have the same warranty as every other lifetime. Before, only a couple of companies carried it. Other companies didn't. But this is... I'm going to show you everything I like about it and go. These right here are very strong. This right here will not stay in, even if you clip it in. It looks like it's in, but I'll show you. This is how I usually close it, like that. Now it wants to stay in, but I show you, it does fall out. That one will, this one will, nothing up here will fall out. Then you got your your standards, your metric. You got your your half drive, your 1/4 inch, and your 3/8 drive, and they're all right here. Very good. This one is broken right here, as you can see, because, well, they broke. Technically, I can just take this back to the store, or I can take this and send it in for a warranty. But usually, a store doesn't have no problems just changing this one out. They send this one back in the factory, and the only thing they don't do is take this off, take it apart, and just replace that, and then stick it back together and send it out as a brand new unit. Then you got your standard any combination wrenches. They're 6-point or 12. Same thing here. This is a metric. And what's really cool, what they did, I think, is awesome, is they have a 5.5 and a 4.5. You just don't got a 5. Yeah, you do got a 5. Okay. And then the box is all plastic. Nothing special. With metal locks. This is all your 1/4 inch, your 3/8, and your half drives. And this has been used a lot. Or say, not yet. There. And then you got your other ones right here. Same thing. All this. You got your 3/8 drive, 1/4. No. Thought that was my 1/4, but I'll show you something that I do not like about this. As you can see just earlier, George sucked trying to get back in. See this? There's no clip. It just sits in there. And I show you. Then you got a normal drawer. Only thing I got in right now is this old extensions, hacksaw blades. I'll show you what I do not like about this. And this is removable. My pin's around here somewhere because I missed my effing 10. I know I didn't lose it, but I'm missing my 10. These. Arnie? Hold on. Okay. These right here are, I'm doing a video, so it's gonna be a minute. Okay. These right here are not clipped in like these. How they're snapped in, clipped, same thing. They're not. So if you got a bumpy ride, I'm still pissed off at that. I know I have my 10. I don't know where it is. Some might have it that used it and didn't return it. I just go buy a new one. So 226 piece. That's the only thing. That's one thing I don't like about it is these are not clipped in at all. They just sit on plastic indent. And if you got a bumpy ride, or you toss this around, not in anger, you just start moving it. These will all come out and they'd be over here, and you have to take the top off because they got all in there. But honestly, Kobalt, you need to fix that. And it'd be cool if they came out with a like blue set, a black set. But honestly, I use that a lot. You can tell I didn't use this one even at all. I use this a lot. Honestly, I mean, that's pretty much it. Now, if you ask me if it's worth, it still wants to stay in. It does fall out, trust me. Now, if you're asking me if this is worth getting, and this is actually kind of cool. This is actually kind of firm in there. I wouldn't change that. You get the pack, you get a whole bunch of stuff, and you get a sticker. I stuck mine on the back. Is it worth the price for $110 right now? It's a $200 set, yes. This is a good set. I had the 301 when they came out, but you just had a whole bunch of sockets. I mean, bits, screw bits, different kinds, specialty ones. But, and it was a 4-jaw. It had a jaw here, a jaw, and a jaw, then your top. So it actually kind of like set this high, much higher. But overall, it is very good. Highly recommend it. No, this is not paid advertisement. I don't get deals. I'm trying to work with them to have you guys go there with a link, or go there and use a promotion code or something, but it's not. They won't do it yet till I get more subscribers and everything. I'm a Kobalt and I'm a Craftsman guy. I do not believe in DeWalt because my brother snaps them and he does a lot heavier duty work than I do. Almost the same. So, and you do got little handles. Sorry, you can't really see it, but let's see if you can see it. Yeah, right here. But it's just a plastic. It's just an indent. So, they do sell a 301 piece, but it doesn't come in the toolbox. They took what I think it was in the toolbox and they just put them on mats. So if you got a toolbox, you got a toolbox or something, they're on mats that you just put in there, and they have all the little areas, and they have little areas you can on both sides grip them and take them. It'd be cool if they could come out with a different color, like a stained black, or even a blue, like a blue color tool set. I would buy that. This one, one of my good friends, like a brother to me, got me this. He sent me the money. Well, he just sent me enough for a toolbox because I said that can help my business, because I do custom go-kart builds and stuff. And yes, it's been dinged up. Nothing severe, but I highly recommend to go out and get one of these, or get a Craftsman. Craftsman has a 430 piece one, but it's not really nothing special. You just get a whole bunch of little bitty things, but if you don't want to spend that much, it's like almost over $200 right now with tax and everything. I don't get the warranty cover on this because it's a lifetime warranty anyway. They offered it. I never heard of it before, but they did offer. But like I said, this is a good toolbox. I highly recommend it. Go out, get one if you got the money, $110. You don't have to buy tools for a while. Please like, subscribe, and comment on my video. I'm extending the contest a little bit longer, but God bless, and everyone have a good week.